Digital Voice Modification System by Haley Ovenhouse and Alberto Antonio. Digital voice recordings are a critical technology advancement in the modern age. With voice, we are able to communicate effectively, keep recordings of conversations, and produce entertaining media. The objective of this project is to create a fun and interactive iOS native application that allows a user to record a voice recording and then choose between 6 different voice modification options. The modified digital recording is then played back to the user. Some requirements of this system is the software shall use a digital recording from the user to perform modifications on. The system shall display 6 different modification options. The software shall play back the modified recording with the user-specified modification type. The system shall have an option for the user to terminate the playback while it is being played back. And the software shall upload the original digital voice recording to an AWS S3 bucket upon completion of the recording. Here's the physical diagram of the system that shows all of the components that interact with the software. So we have a user that records audio, and it also listens to the modified audio recording. And also the internet, which has a connection, and the original voice recording is sent through to an AWS S3 bucket. Here's the software architecture of the system. Here it shows that the user launches the application, starts a recording, ends a recording. The recording is then cached on the mobile phone. An internet connection is established, and the AWS receives the uploaded audio file. From there, the audio file is modified and then played back to the user. This is the digital voice modification system. To launch the application, we click on the app icon. You'll be prompted with a button to start a recording, and the stop button you can see is disabled, so nothing happens. So we'll start the recording.
This is our voice modification system, and this is a test.
When the stop button is pressed, it brings you to this page where the 6 voice modification options are shown. Over here, we show you the S3 console, and you can see that there's nothing in it. And now we will refresh it. When that stop button is pressed, it uploads the voice recording to the S3 bucket. You can see the date and time here, as well as the date and time here. Back over to the phone, and here are the different modifications. You have the snail for slow.
This is our voice modification system.
You can stop a modified playback by pushing the stop button, which is disabled when the playback is not actually in action. You have fast.
This is our voice modification system, and this is a test.
We have the Darth Vader.
This is our voice modification system, and this is a test.
We have the Chipmunk.
This is our voice modification system, and this is a test.
Reverb.
This is our voice modification system, and this is a test. This is our voice modification system, and this is a test.
And then we can also go back and record a second voice modification.
This is a second recording as a test.
We'll stop that, and we will see here on our S3 console that when it is uploaded, there's a little bit of latency. We'll refresh that. And there is a second one. There's the time, and there's the time. And now we can do the same thing.
This is a second.
We'll stop that one because that's rather long, but they do the same
This
thing.
is a second recording as a test.
That is the digital voice modification system.